In this video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Navy Federal Card for Apple Pay. So as of right now, we're currently on the site of Navy Federal, and you can see right here that they allow tap pay as well as digital and mobile wallets, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. So if you want to verify your Navy Federal card for Apple Pay, the safest way to do that is to actually add it to your Apple Pay using this option. When you click on this, you can see that you can just proceed to that Apple Pay and it will show you how to set it up and also how to add the Navy Federal card on your Apple Pay. So to do that, just open the wallet app, click on the plus or add button, then tap debit or credit to add a new card. Click on continue and add your card by holding your card close to your iPhone to add it. You can also enter the card details manually and after that it should be added right there. Now just remove the card and then add it again in order to verify it for Apple Pay. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.